Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable welding machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lincoln Electric K21851 Handy Mobile MIG Welder. The Lincoln Electric is a compact, lightweight, high-quality, and mobile MIG welder that's perfect for your home projects and portable MIG welding. It is also a very lightweight MIG welder machine, checking in at just 49 pounds. It plugs into a 115-volt wall socket and would let you weld metals up to 1/8 inch thick. Included in the package are gas nozzle wire plus gun assembly, gas hose and regulator work clamp and cable, and tactile hand shields with plate and lens. There's also AC electricity and fan cooling to prevent overheating of this Lincoln Electric unit. Plus it is very maneuverable that you can take it outside the workshop. Just don't expect this MIG welder to work well for heavy-duty projects. Apart from that disadvantage, there's really nothing you can complain about this unit as it is quite easy to use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Latos MIG 115 MIG wire welder. Weighing 54 pounds, this isn't the lightest on this list. But its handle is sturdy enough that you should not worry about it breaking and the unit falling on your feet. In our opinion, this is possibly the best MIG welder for home use on this welding unit list that adheres to our specifications. It creates quality welds and is perfect for a beginner welder as it is easy to use. It also doesn't take up a lot of space in the shop or garage, with dimensions of 16 x 14.5 by 9.6 inches. It can be used for welding a variety of materials, like stainless steel and mild steel. You can also weld aluminum provided you have a spool gun, which is sold separately. The package includes ground clamp cable, gas regulator hose, MIG torch, welding mask, and wire. While it has its strengths, this portable MIG wire welder also has its weaknesses. A common complaint is that its torch trigger has the tendency to stop functioning. And while it has a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, it covers only the body of the machine. It won't cover any other parts like the torch hose. At number 3, we have the Hobart Handler 140. At 140 amps, this is the strongest MIG welder that you can plug into a standard electrical socket. Unless you want to do major electrical surgery to your home, drastically raising the price of your welding hobby in the process, then this welder is probably your best bet. With 5 different levels of voltage selection and a wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM, the Hobart 500,559 has all the adjustability you need to dial in the perfect weld. The amperage can be set from 25 to 140, giving you great control over weld depth. Able to weld up to 1/4 mild steel, this welder will be more than adequate for most hobbyists and enthusiasts. The 5-year limited warranty shows how much faith Hobart has in their product. The only drawback to this welder is its rather hefty weight. At 57 pounds, it's still portable, but you'll probably want to get yourself a cart if you do a great deal of welding on the move. All in all, this is still one of the best all-around welders of the year. At number 2, we have the AHP Alpha TIG 203 She 200 amp IGBT AC/DC TIG stick welder. If you like to undertake a versatile group of projects, then one type of welder may not satisfy your needs. Of course, having 2 different welders can get unwieldy to move around and store. This is where the AHP Alpha TIG 200X shines. Combining both TIG and stick type welding into one unit means you don't have to pick between the two. Since it can use 110V and 220V electric, the Alpha TIG will fit into most shop setups. It can weld up to 1/4 aluminum and 3/8 steel, making this versatile welding machine flexible enough to suit any project. A 3-year warranty provides peace of mind knowing that AHP stands behind their machine. All this adds up to make it the best TIG and stick welder for home use. The one drawback of this machine is that it weighs a whopping 69 pounds. Moving it around may be a nuisance unless you set it on a wheeled cart. And finally at number 1, we have the Forney EasyWeld 261, 140 FCI welder. In general, they focused more on the build quality than adding lots of features to this unit. But it still places some quality beads with what it does have. Like all welders, the 140 megapixels has some limits and lacks certain features, so make sure you read the entire review to see if this welder is right for you. Additionally, we'll also look at an alternative that offers some features that Forney does not. Overall, this multi-process welder is well made for hobbyists, beginners, and light fabrication, maintenance. It's a 120 volts input welder, so it's designed to work in your home garage or other places where a 240 volts outlet is missing. Plus, a regular 20A circuit breaker will do just fine. The 140 megapixels can weld with MIG, DC TIG, stick, and fluxed core processes. It runs these processes well with a special emphasis on MIG and flux. Additionally, it offers a lift TIG start, which is better than scratch start TIG found with machines that include it just to look good on a spec sheet. It's portable, rugged, and has some advanced features like a full metal wire feed and infinite adjustability knobs. Also, it's competitively priced. But competing machines try to rival its quality to price ratio. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.